Hello students and welcome back to the channel. Today we will see what is manufacturing system, its components, types, advantages, limitations, applications, etc. So we will start with the definition. Manufacturing system is a collection of integrated equipments and human resources whose function is to perform one or more processing and or assembly operations on a raw material, part or set of parts. Now let's see inputs given to the manufacturing system. These inputs are equipment, tooling, fixture, energy, labor. And the main input is raw material and product is the output from manufacturing system. The scrap is an unwanted output. Now moving towards the components of manufacturing system, there are four main components of a manufacturing system. Starting with production machines, there are three types of production machines. Those are manually operated machines, semi-automated machines and fully automated machines. The next and very important component is human resources. The human resources are required to operate and manage the system. The requirement is either full-time or periodic to keep the system running. Operators either perform manual work or controls the machine. The next component is material handling system, which performs the following operations like loading, positioning, unloading, transportation and storage of the product. And the last component is computer system, which is used for sharing part programs, operation management, quality control, safety monitoring and scheduled production. Now moving towards types of manufacturing systems. The manufacturing system differs in structure or physical arrangement. According to the physical arrangement, there are four kinds of classical manufacturing systems. Those are job production, flow production, project production and continuous production. And two types of modern manufacturing systems such as cellular manufacturing system and flexible manufacturing system. Now moving towards job production. This is the layout for the job production. Now let's see some of the highlights, that is small lot size, specific customer and high skilled operators. Examples are press working shops, machine shops, plastic industries and foundries. Now let's discuss the advantages of job production system. It can handle a variety of processing requirements, not particularly vulnerable to equipment failures. Equipment used is less costly, possible to use individual incentive plans. Now the limitations. In-process inventory cost can be high, challenging routing and scheduling. Equipment utilization rates are low. Material handling is slow and inefficient. Now let's see flow production. Diagram shows the functional layout for a flow production type of manufacturing system. Highlights are, it is product oriented layout, special purpose machines are required, lot size is larger, workstations are arranged in line. Now the examples, automated assembly lines and television manufacturing factory. Advantages of flow production: high rate of output, low unit cost, low material handling cost, high utilization of labor and equipment, established routing and scheduling. Limitations: fairly inflexible to changes in volume, highly susceptible to shutdowns, needs preventive maintenance, individual incentive plans are impractical. Now let's see what is project production. The diagram shows the functional layout for a project production. Highlights are: it is called as fixed position layout, on-site fabrication is done, large size and wet products. Examples: locomotive manufacturing, large aircraft assembly, and shipbuilding. Advantages of project production: minimum capital investment, continuity of operation, less total production cost, offers greater flexibility, allows the change in production design. Limitations: machines, tools, and workers take more time to reach the fixed position. Highly skilled workers are required. Complicated jigs and fixtures may be required. Now the last one, that is the continuous production. This is the functional layout for a continuous production. Highlights: product seems to flow physically. Simplest production system, least work in progress material. Examples: oil refineries, chemical process plants, food processing industries. Now moving towards cellular manufacturing system. Organizing the production equipment into machine cells, where each cell specializes in the production of a part family, is called cellular manufacturing. Highlights of cellular manufacturing system: group technology is used, has advantages of both job production and flow production. It has linked cells, either manned or unmanned. Machines can be easily modified, retooled, and regrouped. Now let's see the comparison between traditional manufacturing system and cellular manufacturing system. In the first figure, we can see in traditional manufacturing system, there is no fixed path for raw material to come in and the final product to go out. But in cellular manufacturing system, we see the fixed incoming point and fixed outgoing point. Now the advantages of cellular manufacturing system: setup time is reduced, reduced work in progress inventory, lot sizes are reduced, material handling cost and time is reduced, tool requirements are reduced. Now the limitations: there are very few limitations. Initial manufacturing setup cost is high and implementation cost is high. Now the flexible manufacturing system. The definition: a flexible manufacturing system is an automated machine cell consisting of a group of processing workstations interconnected with automated material handling and storage system. Highlights: highly automated systems. Now the elements of flexible manufacturing system are workstations, automated material handling, storage and retrieval, and control systems. This is the functional layout for a flexible manufacturing system, the fully automated kind of system. Advantages: the lead time is reduced, reduced work in progress inventory, labor and inventories are reduced, production is more reliable because the system is self-correcting and so product quality is uniform, increased machine utilization and fewer machines required. The limitations: high initial cost, considerable pre-planning is required, high precision is required. So students, this was all about the manufacturing system. Hope you enjoyed learning. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.